Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the obvious network blockers, so toggle airplane mode off and check any physical Wi-Fi switch. Once done, plug a known working Ethernet cable and confirm router link LEDs are lit. Next, open Device Manager now, type Device Manager in Start and press Enter, because that's where missing adapters show as hidden or unknown devices. Make sure you have admin rights so you can enable or reinstall drivers when we find the device. You should now reveal hidden entries and inspect network adapters. Expand the list and look for faded or unknown entries. If you see the adapter, right-click and choose Disable, then Enable to reset it, or uninstall device if the driver's corrupt. Check Delete driver software only if you plan to reinstall. After uninstall, click Action right arrow scan for hardware changes and run Windows Update to pull an updated driver. This process reinstates the adapter and clears driver conflicts that hide the device. For stubborn cases, perform a network reset in settings to restore TCP/IP and DHCP defaults. This reboots the PC so plan for downtime. If the adapter still doesn't appear, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and confirm integrated LAN/Wi-Fi is enabled. Sometimes firmware disables hardware. If it remains absent, download the OEM driver from your PC maker on another device or use a USB network adapter to reach the web. If problems persist, one tip: check for bent pins or failed NIC on the motherboard as a hardware failure clue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.